Have you ever felt like your money just vanishes every month? You get your paycheck, you pay your bills, and suddenly you're left wondering where it all went. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. But what if I told you there are tools that can completely transform your financial life, putting you back in the driver's seat? Today we're unlocking the secrets to taking control of your money, making it work for you, and building the future you've always dreamed of. Stick around because this could be the most important financial video you watch all year. Let's start with the foundation of all financial success: budgeting. I know the word budget can sound restrictive, but trust me, modern tools make it feel like a superpower. Forget confusing spreadsheets. Apps like Monarch Money and YNAB, which stands for You Need a Budget, are absolute game changers. Monarch gives you a beautiful, all-in-one dashboard to track your spending, investments, and net worth. It helps you see the big picture. YNAB, on the other hand, uses a powerful zero-based budgeting method. It forces you to give every single dollar a job, which is incredibly effective for getting out of debt and saving intentionally. And if you're drowning in subscriptions you forgot about, an app like RocketMoney is your best friend. It finds and cancels unwanted subscriptions, saving you hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars a year. These aren't just apps. They are your personal chief financial officers, working 24/7 to keep your finances on track. Once your budget is solid and you're saving money, it's time to make that money grow. This is where investing comes in, and it's more accessible now than ever before. Gone are the days when you needed a fancy broker and a ton of cash to get started. Platforms like Robinhood and Webull have revolutionized the game with user-friendly interfaces and zero-commission trades. You can start investing in stocks, ETFs, and even cryptocurrencies with just a few dollars. They make the stock market feel less intimidating and more like an opportunity for everyone. For those interested in social trading, eToro is fantastic. You can actually see what successful traders are doing and even copy their trades automatically. It's like having a mentor guiding your investment decisions. The key is to start, even if it's small. The power of compound interest is real. And the sooner you begin, the more time your money has to multiply. Now, let's talk about the ultimate goal for many: creating additional income streams. Relying on a single paycheck can be stressful. What if you could earn money while you sleep, travel, or spend time on your hobbies? This is the power of side hustles and passive income. And no, you don't need to be a genius to figure it out. There are incredible courses and communities out there that provide a step-by-step roadmap. Whether you're interested in starting an online store, affiliate marketing, real estate, or creating digital products, there's a course for it. These aren't just about theory. They provide actionable strategies, tools, and support systems to help you launch and scale your own income-generating projects. Imagine earning an extra $500, $1,000, or even more each month. That extra income can accelerate your journey to paying off debt, saving for a down payment, or achieving complete financial freedom. It transforms your financial situation from one of scarcity to one of abundance and possibility. So, let's recap. We've covered the tools to manage your daily spending, platforms to grow your wealth through investing, and the pathways to create new streams of income. By combining these three elements, you create a powerful system for financial transformation. It all starts with that first step: choosing one tool, one platform, one idea, and just getting started. You have the power to completely rewrite your financial story, starting today. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video valuable, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content that will help you build a life of financial freedom. Drop a comment below and let me know which tool you're most excited to try first. Until next time, take control and build your future.